Okay, the rotor nut basically lost its ability. It has no thread, so it can't tighten against the pinion gear anymore. Okay, public service announcement. If your 2008 Stella SW5000, if your rotor nut, this piece here, which surprisingly is made out of aluminum for some reason, if the thread on here gets worn out because it's going up against a stainless steel pinion gear, so it wears out over time, and because of that your rotor will loosen. This one's completely lost its grip. The thread is completely gone. Can't get it to focus. Anyway, the part 1080Y is discontinued. I tried a Vanfoot rotor nut, which was similar but not quite a match. It doesn't have that two-step down. Okay, the perfect match for it is the 2014 Stella FI in the 4000. So you just need to change the bearing inside also, because on the 4000 it's bigger and it has a brass bushing instead of a plastic bushing on that one. So change this piece and that piece. This bearing right here that has a brass bushing in the middle. Jeez, focus, man. And you'll be fine. Just change this two piece. So on an obsolete part. So like I said, aluminum nuts on a Stella SW is inexcusable. I mean, it's fine on a freshwater reel, but even the Stratic uses a simple flat brass washer to secure the rotor. So in an effort to make it smooth, they made it recessed, but it could have been made out of brass and not aluminum. So